Hi guys, this is nice math problem. 16 divided by 2 bracket 2 plus 2 bracket 2 is equal what? Here this 16 divided by this 2 multiply this 2 plus 2 gives us 4 multiply this 2. Here this 16 divided by this 2 multiply 4 gives us 8 multiply this 2. Here 16 divided by this 8 multiply 2 gives us 16. 16 divided by 16 gives us 1, but it is not correct. Now I will apply PEMDAS rule to solve this math correctly. Here PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, at first we have to work with parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have same priority. For this we have to work left to right, and addition and subtraction have same priority. For this we have to work left to right also. Now I have to work with this parenthesis firstly. Here 16 divided by this 2. Here 2 plus 2 gives us 4. Multiply this 2. Now I have to work with this division. Therefore here 16 divided by 2 gives us 8. Multiply this 4. Multiply this 2. Now I have to work with this multiplication. Here 8 multiply 4 gives us 32. Multiply this 2. Here 32 multiply this 2 gives us 64, and this is correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.